only water. It is like a sea. I can zoom this house. It is like part of the village. It is completely underwater. So these are different people who moved from nearby villages, because the villages are underwater. Everywhere is families, everywhere people. You see the women this is what they are collecting the water from. These are the houses which is under the villages. The people are really suffering. There is no dry place around. So that's why the people are just on the roadside.